Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a medium well steak. First, select a quality cut, ideally 1.5 inches thick for the best results. Pat it thoroughly dry with paper towels. This crucial step ensures a beautiful, even sear. Then, season all sides generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. Don't be shy with the seasoning. It builds incredible flavor. Next, heat a heavy-bottomed pan like a cast-iron skillet over medium-high heat until it's smoking hot. Add a high smoke point oil, such as canola or grapeseed, just enough to coat the bottom. Carefully place your seasoned steak in the hot pan. Sear each side for about 2 to 3 minutes, creating a rich, golden brown crust. This initial sear locks in the juices. Now, transfer your skillet directly into a preheated oven set to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue cooking until the internal temperature reaches between 150 and 155 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfect medium well. Always use a reliable meat thermometer inserted into the thickest part to ensure accurate doneness. This prevents overcooking and keeps your steak juicy. Once your steak reaches the desired temperature, remove it from the oven and place it on a cutting board. It's vital to let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is tender and flavorful. Finally, slice your steak against the grain for maximum tenderness and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.